How's YouTube TV according to Reddit users? Reddit users share a blend of positive and negative feedback about YouTube TV. Here's a summary of what is commonly discussed. 1. Positive aspects highlighted by Reddit users. Channel selection. Users appreciate the extensive range of channels, including local networks and sports channels, catering to diverse viewing preferences. Unlimited Cloud DVR. The Unlimited Cloud DVR feature is highly praised, allowing users to record multiple shows simultaneously without storage limitations. User interface. The intuitive and user-friendly interface is another highlight, enhancing the overall viewing experience and making navigation easier for users. 2. Common criticisms noted by Reddit users. Pricing. Some users express concerns over the frequent price hikes, feeling that the cost may not be justified compared to other streaming services. Streaming quality issues. Problems such as buffering, resolution drops, and latency are occasionally reported, affecting the viewing experience. Channel availability. The absence of certain niche or regional channels is a drawback for some users who are looking for specific content. 3. Recent developments. YouTube TV has introduced features like 4K streaming and offline downloads to enhance the user experience. However, these features often come with extra costs, which has led to mixed reactions from Reddit users. 4. Conclusion. In conclusion, Reddit discussions indicate that while YouTube TV offers a robust selection of channels and user-friendly features, concerns about pricing and streaming quality still persist. Potential subscribers are advised to consider these factors and explore Reddit threads for first-hand user experiences to make an informed decision.